Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on email notifications for posts that are emailed to you on X, formerly known as Twitter. If you use X on your PC, this update makes it super easy to stay on top of important posts without missing a beat. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com on your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, Messages, and more. From this menu, click on Notifications. This is where all your activity updates and alerts live. Now, inside Notifications, look for the small gear icon or Settings option and click on it. This will take you to the Notification Settings page where you can customize exactly what kind of activity you want to be informed about. Next, head into Preferences. Within this section, find and select Push Notifications. This area controls all the alerts you receive directly on your device or browser. Even though it's labeled as Push Notifications, the new update lets you manage email-related alerts here too. Scroll down until you find the section called Related to You and Your Posts. Under this category, look for the option that says Posts Emailed to You. To make sure you're notified whenever your posts are sent out or mentioned in an email, simply check or toggle this setting on. And that's it. Now X will send you email notifications whenever posts connected to you are emailed out. You're officially set up to keep track of your content and mentions even when you're away from the app. It's always good to double-check your settings after making changes, just to confirm everything's saved correctly. If you ever decide to turn off these notifications later, just return to the same section and uncheck the option. With this new update, X gives you more control over how and when you're notified, making it easier than ever to stay connected with your audience. Thanks for watching.